Hello guys, I'm Rakhi and I'm back with the question of chemical equilibrium which came in IIT 1997. So let's see what the question is. Question is, in which of the following reactions increase in pressure at constant temperature? Increase in pressure at constant temperature does not affect the moles at equilibrium. So हमसे पूछा गया है कि in which of these following four equations, if we increase the pressure at constant temperature, then in which of the case number of moles would not change at equilibrium. Okay, repeat and see the question again. In which of the following reactions increase in the pressure at constant temperature? Temperature is constant and we are increasing the pressure, will not affect the moles at equilibrium. Okay, so for this question the solution is we just have to find out the delta N. What is delta N? Delta N is the change in the gaseous molecule, between products and reactant. ठीक है, so हमें इस question में find out करना है delta N is equals to what? change in the gaseous molecule between product and reactant. So number of gaseous molecules in product minus number of gaseous molecules in reactant. This is delta N. So if our delta N value comes out to be 0, then in that particular equation or in that particular equilibrium, there would not be any change in the number of moles if we increase the pressure at constant temperature. Okay, so let's find out the value of delta N in these of the following equations. See, in the first equation, number of gaseous moles in the reactant side is 2 and number of gaseous moles in the product side is 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. So delta N in the first case becomes equals to how much? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Okay? Okay. Now, in the second equation, carbon in the gaseous state plus half of O2 in gaseous state, which is in equilibrium with carbon monoxide in the gaseous state. So, delta N over here would be number of moles in the product side minus number of moles in the gaseous side, which becomes 1 minus 1.5, which is equals to minus 0.5. So we do not represent minus, so I'll just write only half. 0.5 is only half. Okay, so it is only half moles. Now coming to the third equation, H2 plus half O2 in the gaseous state, which is in equilibrium with H2 in the gaseous state. So in this particular equation or equilibrium, the number of the change in delta would be delta N would be number of moles in the product side, which is 1 minus 1 plus half, which is 1.5, which again becomes minus 0.5, which is equals to half. Okay. Now in the fourth equation, number of moles which are present in the reactant side, it is equals to 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2, and number of moles which is present in the product side, it is also 2. So delta N in this particular equation would be 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now you have seen that in the fourth equation, H2 in the gaseous state plus I2 in the gaseous state, which is in equilibrium with twice of HI in the gaseous state. In this equation, we have found that change in delta, that means delta N, that means change in the number of gaseous molecule between product and reactant is equals to 0. So in this particular equation, if we increase the pressure at constant temperature, then there would not be any change in the number of moles. ठीक है, so increase in the pressure at constant temperature in equation number 4 will not affect the moles at equilibrium. Thus, there won't be any change in the number of moles at equilibrium concentration in equation number D. Okay, so I'm writing it over here. So, in equation D, if we increase the pressure at constant temperature, then there would not be any change in then there would not be any change in number of moles at equilibrium concentration, because delta N is equals to 0. Okay. So this was all about this question, and I think you have understood it at your best. But still, if anybody is having any kind of doubt, then please do write your doubts in the space given below. This is me, Rakhi, saying you all now. Goodbye.